Hi dear friend, they are our number 5 B quality nylon long chain zipper. Why I say the quality are B? First, let's check the monofilament. You see this one is a little dark color and this one is a little yellow. All of these are a little yellow. Because we put the recycled PET inside. Let's check the A quality. You see it's very white color without the black filling or yellow filling. And second, because it's very light, you can see the tape is very weak, not the thick. It's thin. Not the thickness is not weak, not thick. And if for the A quality, you see it's very strong. The zipper on my hand is number 3, not number 5. It's still strong, but strong than this one. It's thicker than this one. You can understand easily. And for the monofilament distance, for the A quality, the distance is more close with each other because the strength is more strong. We cannot see like this so much monofilament. Let me show to you. See, we cannot see very clearly. So for the A quality, people use the zipper for the expensive garment, trousers, and the high quality bag. But with the B quality, people use it for the low market, cheaper market bag, garment, clothes or clothing or other function using. So if you want to get more details, you can send email to us. Thank you.